Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. India recorded 36,401 new cases of coronavirus infection on Wednesday. Kerala continued to have the highest number of cases in the country with the 21,427 new cases, whereas Maharashtra had 5,132 active cases, come down to 3.64 lakh 530 deaths were reported on Wednesday, pushing the total death toll over 4.33 lakh, according to an RTI response filed by the COVID-19 Vaccination Administration Cell of the Union Health Ministry. The data on COVID as of August 17 shows that the total number of beneficiaries who got their first dose of COVID-19 vaccine but did not get their second dose within the stipulated period of time 3,40,72,993. Similarly, the number stand at 46,78,406 for Covaxin beneficiaries. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021-22 Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. According to the working editor Vikas Prasad from Bankura, BJP from Saltoda of Bankura MLA Chandan Bauri was accused of having a extraordinary affair with the driver of a own car. The whole area has been buzzing with this news since Thursday morning. According to the sources, BJP MLA Chandana Bauri has a long, extremely affair with her own car driver Chandan Bauri, a resident of Kilai village in Gajal Ghati, has a husband Sarwan Bauri and 3 children. Even after that, question started to arise as to how she got involved in his relationship and came out to the house with the driver. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll-free number 1800-258-7060. An army vehicle crashed in Panagarh. A well-known gypsy vehicle coming towards Panagarh from Panagarh Army Camp. A lorry coming from the opposite direction on the railway bridge on the National Highway number 2 to Panagarh bypass first hit an army vehicle. The army vehicle stopped on the road. After this, a lorry coming from behind going to Durgapur hit the army vehicle. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Car has started, but the same time the overflowing crowd is creating a state of chokes. One reason for this is the Lakshmi Bhandar scheme. Huge crowd of women are flocking to register for the project, and crushing incident have been taken place in Malda district. The situation is getting worse, practically clear. In such a situation, the chief secretary held a virtual meeting with the district governor. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Damhani block in Damhani Bazaar under Damhani Gram Panchayat, a boy refused to have intercourse with a promise of marriage. The boy comes to the girl's house at 11 p.m. last night, is caught by the locals and then handed over to the police. The statement that I am recalled to marry my son.
প্রচুর চর্চা করেছেন, মানে এত চর্চা করেছেন, মানে আমি যে সহ্য করছি এটা মানে ভাষায় বোঝানো যাবে না। থানাতে তার জন্য অনেকবার লিখিত জমা দেওয়া হয়েছে, অনেক পার্টির লোক এসেছে, মানে আমি যে কি ধরনের মানে অবস্থায় ছিলাম।
মানে কি হয়েছিল এটা কি?
হ্যাঁ
কি হয়েছে কি?
হয়েছিল যে আমার ছেলে বললো যে কি হয়েছিল।
আমি তোমার ভাত কাপড় দায়িত্ব নিই। বলতে হবে না,
খুব জোর মারামারি করেছে, মুখ হাত ফুলিয়ে দিয়েছে, রক্ত ঝরছে। এমত অবস্থায় আমার বড় ছেলেকে একজন ইনফর্ম করলো যে এইরকম ব্যাপার একটা ঘটনা ঘটেছে, তুই আয়। আমার বড় ছেলেও আবার স্পটে যায়, তখন আমার বড় ছেলেকেও মারধর যাচ্ছে, তাই ভাবে মারধর করেছে। তো এরা দীর্ঘদিন ধরে এইভাবে ব্যবসা চালিয়ে যাচ্ছে। ওদের ব্যবসাটা চলে খালি এই পয়সাতে, বুঝলেন, দেহ ব্যবসাতে। এই বাড়িতে ওদের দেহ ব্যবসা করছে এখন। এর আগে একটা নিরীহ ছেলেকে ইয়ে করেছিল, কি লাভ ম্যারেজ করে বিয়ে করেছিল। বিয়ে করার পরে ছেলেটা চরিত্রটা খারাপ এই মেয়েটার নিয়ে, তারপরে ওদের এখানে কিছু পয়সা পাতি যাদের আছে সেই সব ছেলেগুলোকে হাত করে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে, তাই নোংরামি করে। তখন ছেলেটা বাধ্য হয়ে ওকে নিয়ে চলে যায় কলকাতা, ওইখানে কাজও করে এবং ওইখানে থাকে। কিছুদিন পরে আবার শুনছি নাকি যে ওখানেও নাকি ওইরকম নোংরামি করছিল। তখন ও আবার রিটার্ন আসে, দুর্গাপুরে আসে। দুর্গাপুর থেকে আবার কিছুদিন ছিল, দুর্গাপুর থেকে আবার এইখানে এসেছে। আমাদের একটা মামলাও চলছে, আর এইখানে এসে বোধ এইসব আরম্ভ করেছে।
আচ্ছা, পাড়া প্রতিবেশীরা কি জানে ওদের ব্যাপারটা?
ওদের ব্যাপারটা সবাই জানে। এখন ওরা চাইছে যে ওইখান থেকে নিজের পরিবেশটাকে নিজে পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন রাখতে। আমি গেছিলাম মীমাংসার জন্য, যে কি হয়েছে না হয়েছে ওরা জোর জবরদস্তি করে টেনে নিয়ে এসে পরে একটা ভুল ভাবে মারধর ভাবে
আপনিও বলবেন, আপনাকেও জিজ্ঞেস করা যাবে, ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা, ওরা একটা অভিযোগ দিচ্ছে যে ওদের যে ঢুকেছিল এবং তাদেরকে সিঁদুরও দেওয়া করা হয়েছে।
মারধর করার পরে দেখুন জোর জবরদস্তি ওদেরকে সিঁদুর দেওয়া করিয়েছে।
এখন আপনি কি চান?
এখন চাইছি যে ওই ছেলেটাকে রিলিজ করবো ওরা।
আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম অশোক দে।
আপনি কে?
আমি ছেলের বাবা।
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Soul Hirapur in the old case of planning a robbery, police arrested the Bangi from Nichupada. He was sent to court today, from where he was remanded for 4 days. Bangi's arrest is being linked to politics. Even before the election, Bangi had returned to the Silpanchal. He was also seen around many politicians. Now, after the election, there was a talk what Bangi would get the responsibility to the painting with ISCOS. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Kulti, the state government had issued instruction to stop overloaded vehicle where no vehicle sound carry overloaded vehicle, and traffic guard of Asansol Durgapur Police Commissariat raided various areas of Kulti. According to the police sources, a fine has been imposed on the overload dumper handed over to the MVI department, and Kulti are seizing several overloading dumper from the police. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Asansol new chairman on the district behalf of West Bengal Trinamool Secondary Teacher Committee Vidhan Upadhyay was honored by hundreds of teachers led by Rajiv Mukherjee, the district president of the organization, who visited his office and wore garlands, flower and utaris. On this occasion, Vidhan Upadhyay said that I have always respected the teachers and I feel proud to be honored by them. He requested the teachers to publicize the work of Mamata Banerjee and achievement of the government. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Celebration of Harmony Day by Asansol Mandal Asansol to promote national unity and communal harmony among people of all religion, language and castes. The Asansol division of the Eastern Railway organized a function at the Divisional Railway Manager Office, Asansol 19, celebrated Harmony Day in August 21. Sri Parmanand Sharma, Divisional Railway Manager, Asansol, gave a pledge in which the officers and employees took an oath that they would work for the emotional unity and harmony of all the people of India. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. ECL massive tree planting campaign during the Amrit Mahotsav. Sonpur Bazar area planted a fruit plant on the occasion of Amrit Mahotsav and decided to plant 15,000 plants. Pandeshwar ECL Sonpur Bazar area organized a planting campaign and plant distribution function at the OB dump area of Sodhpur Bazar on Thursday under the auspices of Ministry of Coal, Government of India, the Environmental Protection during the Amrit Mahotsav period of India. Chief guest were Narendra Nath Chakravorty, MLA of Pandeshwar, and Hare Ram Singh, MLA of Jamuria Assembly and General Secretary of KKSC.
আপনি সরে যান, সামনে থেকে সরে যান।
দেখি हम लोग देखें ना
জল দেওয়ার সুবিধা
তাহলে লেখাতে নাই কাকে
अरे भैया ढूके मत इधर रहिए ना आप फोटो लेने देता है
হ্যাঁ বল।
हाथ रहिए
হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ বল। না না না, এখন নাই, বিকালে। ঠিক আছে, বিকালে বিকালে, এখন কিছু নাই।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. On behalf of Kulti Nyamatpur Chamber of Commerce, the new chairman of Trinamool Congress District, Ujjwal Chatterjee, was congratulated by all the members led by the Secretary of the Chamber, Gurvinder Singh, at his residence by presenting garlands, flower and sweets. On this occasion, Ujjwal Chatterjee said that people of the chamber have always kept in touch with me, requesting the chambers of the chamber publicize the work of Mamata Banerjee. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Mankind must put an end to war, or war will put an end to mankind. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.